Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another product review. Today, it is the X2 Type-C mobile gaming controller by Gamesir. So, I'm going to be testing this out, showing you guys a little bit of the functionality of it and how well it responds. I'm going to be using a Galaxy S22 Ultra. So let's see. It looks like it's got a nice little carrying case. This is just like a sticker. Oh, no, it's not. That is actually, this was just a protective thing. Seems like a nice case. Yeah. Oh, comes with whatever that is. It looks like a guitar pick, but a sticker. Interesting looking sticker. Some a 6-month warranty. That's kind of interesting. That's kind of cool. A little booklet, I guess, on how to use this. It's got little things to go over the joystick. Okay, so it's like spring actuated. It's got another little sticker thing here. Oh, that's just a little protective thing. It looks like, oh, no, it does not have a little, whatever you want to call them, on there. The buttons, I mean, it feels like a regular controller, something you'd expect in like a Switch or an Xbox. Really responsive. Alright, well, let's see how well the phone fits in there. So, here we go. Galaxy S22 Ultra. Try it with the case on. And this right here, it wiggles. So you can kind of move it up or down or whatever. I'm struggling a little bit. I don't know if it's me or if it's because I got a case on here or what. Okay, it fits, kind of, but I think I'm gonna have to take the case off. Okay, yeah, that pops in there way easier. Oh, and it kind of clicks in. Oops. Oh, uh-oh. That thing came off. Okay. So, I mean, it's almost like a PSP now, or like a Switch. Let's go into Fortnite or something. I mean, with the S22, I kind of feel like the graphics are better than a Switch. I don't really want to. Okay, so 0 build. I think I. Oh yeah, I got the Fortnite crew stuff. So, oh hey, look, I got something. Ah, that's kind of cool looking. So it looks like it automatically knows that I've got a controller hooked up, and B to cancel. I can move around. See, it's no build mode right now in Fortnite, but it's showing building controls. That's weird. Kind of slow to load. I'll actually grab a Nintendo Switch real quick to kind of show you guys size comparison and whatnot. That's loading anyway, so you guys can hang out for a little bit. Oh, the game launched. So anyways, there's a Switch for comparison. Oh man, it made me jump. I'm not the best Fortnite player, so I might not do so well. I mean, this is way better than, somebody's shooting at me. Oh, somebody else is shooting at me. Oh no, oh no, oh man. I'm like going off camera. I don't know what happened to those guys. I don't know if maybe they got healed or what. Yeah, I'm like used to the build mode. Look at that. Ah, no build. Oh, there's sprint mode. Oh, wow. Look at that. 2 of the guys are knocked down. 1 of them. My teammates suck. Like, I'm just doing like a little product review and look at my teammates. The guy that was shooting at me sucks too, though. Earlier, I almost took out 2 of their guys, but I ran out of ammo. They're way over there. So, I don't know. I don't know if I should play this whole game like this or what. Uh-oh. Somebody shooting at me? Tilted Towers is a new one for me. I saw somebody. Oh, man. Oh, where are they? No, I died. Oh, well. It was kind of an awkward playing position. I'm not really the best at Fortnite either, though. But I don't know. I think this works pretty good. I like it. I would say get it if you have a pretty good smartphone that's an Android. And I mean, look at the graphics too. I would say that's better than the Switch. And I don't know, there's just more functionality. I like it. Anyways, this is the product review and a bunch of gameplay of the Gamesir X2 Type-C mobile gaming controller. I say get it. It's awesome. All right, well, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.